Hello guys, welcome to Let's Cook with Sagar Banerjee once again, and today we're going to prepare a very nice dish. In France it's called pasta a la Florentine, but here we can call as cheesy spinach pasta. Sometimes we get bored with tomato sauce every day, so today I'm trying to have something different for you guys. So let's try and see how can we prepare it. Making pasta is very simple, and you first have to boil your pasta. Make it al dente till it little bit dainty. So bring your water rolling boil and add your pasta. And now take a pan and put some olive oil and little bit of butter. Now you have to chop some onion. Don't be so fast, otherwise you will cut your finger. Now you add a little bit of garlic and saute both of them till it translucent. Add a little bit of milk, and now you add your cheese, and you have to add your spinach because it's a spinach pasta. So don't forget to season with salt and pepper. Now you give a stir. After stirring a little bit, add your pre-boiled pasta and serve it hot. Don't make it extra salty. Try to make it simple. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Bon appetit. Thank you.